So, do you know why small businesses have the biggest opportunity with AI? Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and we drive value in businesses by leveraging AI across the board, whether it's profit growth or productivity or scaling your business. But I want to talk a little bit today about why I think the opportunity is massive for small businesses. And the statistics are pretty stark. Small businesses, tiny businesses, under 100 employees, less than 1% of them are actually utilizing AI today. So I want to talk about how you can do this and what's the benefit to you. First of all, the AI that you have today, the AI that we're working with today, is as bad as it's ever going to be. It's only going to get better. It's only going to get more pervasive, and more people are going to use it. And if you start using it now as a small business, what we found is that on average, employees can get about twice as much done by utilizing AI across the board. Can you imagine what that will do for your company? Big companies, when they do this, what they're going to do, they're going to fire half of their people. We hear about that all the time. That's the big fear for AI. But small companies who learn how to leverage AI can grow faster without hiring people, which is a big challenge for everybody. So I want you to think about that. And if you're interested in transforming your business, give me a call. The link is below. Thanks, and have a grateful day.